Hi, I'm Patrick Perry. I'd like to show you your PC Wi-Fi won't turn on. I'd like to show you. I have a problem about, listen, okay, about your PC won't turn on the Wi-Fi. You won't turn on. I like to show you that, yes. I like to show you. You see, I turn on the Wi-Fi. This is turn on the Wi-Fi. It say no Wi-Fi networks found. Now, when I click right here, is turn up the Wi-Fi. It's off. I turn on the Wi-Fi. And nothing happened. Is nothing happened. I turn on the off the Wi-Fi. Nothing happened. Now, okay. Now listen to me, okay? Now, what you do? Now what you do? Click in the Windows. Click the power and click the restaurant restart. Click right here. Now will I be back? The Wi-Fi is back. Will I be back? But I be back. Okay, did we back? Did we back? Okay. The Wi-Fi is back, baby. The Wi-Fi is back. Well, Wi-Fi is back. Wi-Fi is back. So hope you like my videos. So hope you like it. Well, maybe that's it.